Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Pan-African news that Joshua Maponga is hospitalized due to injuries sustained in a serious road accident. He was involved in a head-on collision and has shared images on social media showing the damaged vehicles and himself in a hospital setting. Maponga reassured his followers that he survived the incident and is currently receiving medical attention, though the extent of his injuries is not publicly confirmed. The accident occurred on the same day he shared the news on Facebook, with many supporters flooding the comment sections to wish him a speedy recovery. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.